Hello beautiful people and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time visiting us, karibu sana. My name is Chef Janet. Please feel free to smash that subscribe button and the bell icon right beside you so that every time I have a new recipe you are instantly notified on the same. So today I'm going to be showing you how I make this killer creamy fish stew. Let's get cooking. My ingredients today, I have tilapia fish already deep fried. I have the link in my description box just in case you don't know how to deep fry your tilapia. I have my tomato, 3 large tomatoes blended. I have green bell peppers right here. I have my onion, red onion, 1 large red onion. I have my 1 cup of milk. Yes, milk. I have royco here and I have some salt. I also have some garlic. And I have my coriander. In my cooking pot, I have my cooking oil, which is starting to heat up. So into your cooking oil, I'm going to add 1 large red onion. So finely chopped. So we're going to fry this till they are almost starting to brown. Then we'll come in and add our garlic. So my red onion is starting to turn brown. And now I'm going to add in my garlic. I always add this garlic because it really takes the taste of this stew to another new level. Very tasty and delicious. So I also add this last minute because garlic cooks quite faster than the onion. So the same time that the red onion will be browning, then our garlic will be done. So my garlic is almost done. We don't want it to burn because once it burns, your stew will be bitter. So I'm going to add in my green bell peppers. If you like your stew colorful, you can also add the red and the yellow, but I only added the green in this cup and it's still going to be delicious. So my bell peppers are perfectly done and my onions are done too. So now I'm going in with my tomato puree. Like that. And I'm going to let this tomato puree also cook for like 2 minutes. Then we come back and continue. So I'm just going to cover this with my lid. So my tomato is perfectly cooked and now I'm going with my salt. So remember that when we were frying our fish, we added some salt and beef cube. So we are not going to add too much salt. I'm going to add like a teaspoon of salt. So that being added, I'm also going in with my milk, 1 cup of milk. So I came up with this idea of adding milk because when you add water, it dilutes the taste of your stew a little bit and it becomes, tasteless. But when you add milk, this is just normal milk, it becomes very flavorful and very tasty. So we're going to let this simmer for about 1 minute. So my milk and the tomato have been simmering for about 2 minutes and now I'm going in with my royco. I've also diluted my royco with milk and not water. So you're seeing that I'm avoiding water by all costs. It is really thickening and becoming very, very appetizing. So let your royco also cook and then we come back and add our fish. This is looking really delicious. So you can see my stew made of milk is ready. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to be immersing my fish in this stew. So second one. Too bad for the third one because it don't have enough space, but I will add it later. So you can see how perfect this is looking. Yum yum. And I know some of you are asking yourself questions like, can I use coconut milk? Yes, it is very advisable. Also use the coconut milk. It will come out delicious. But in case you don't have coconut milk, then worry not, because you can use just the normal milk, and I promise you, your stew will be as delicious as the one of coconut milk. Wow. Wow, look at that. It is really looking very appetizing, and I really love this outcome. You see how thick your stew can be. So I can actually serve this with your rice, your chapatis, or with your ugali, and your kids will be actually very happy to have this kind of stew because it is very delicious. I tell you, very delicious. So lastly, I'm going in with my coriander leaves, chopped coriander leaves. So I'm going to sprinkle my leaves like that. Wow, this is looking very, very delicious. Actually, when I discovered this method of making my fish stew, I no longer use water. I'd rather use milk if I don't have coconut milk. Please try it, and don't forget to tell me in the comment section below how yours turned out and how your family reacted to this fish stew. I know it is going to be very delicious. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to smash that like button, and as well, if you have not subscribed, you have a better reason to subscribe now. So hit the subscribe button and the bell notification right beside that subscribe button, and also share this video with your friends and neighbors. And until then, I've been your girl, Chef Janet, signing out right now. See you next time. Bye bye.